Ready to ditch the small screen and experience YouTube on your Nintendo Switch? First, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home screen, then locate and select the Nintendo Shop icon. It's the one that looks like a shopping bag with the Nintendo logo. Once the eShop loads, look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen, and type in YouTube using the on-screen keyboard or a connected USB keyboard. From the search results, identify the official YouTube app. It should have the recognizable red YouTube Play button logo. Now select it. You will be taken to the YouTube apps page. Here, you'll find a free download button. Select this to begin downloading the app to your Nintendo Switch. The download progress will be displayed on your home screen. Be patient, as the download time will depend on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the YouTube app icon will appear on your home screen. Now select the YouTube app to open it. Upon opening, you'll be prompted to sign into your YouTube account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account using your Google account credentials. And that's it. You're all set to watch videos, browse channels, and enjoy YouTube directly on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching and enjoy.